Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be counting down our picks for the top 10 best mystery movies. Now you like these video to make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. But anyway, let's begin to the video. A Quiet Place 2018. A Quiet Place is an American post-apocalyptic science fiction horror mystery film, directed by John Krasinski. The film tells the story of a family must live in silence to avoid mysterious creatures that hunt by sound. Knowing that even the slightest whisper of footstep can bring death, evil and lack. Arrival 2016. Arrival is an American science fiction mystery film, directed by Denis Villeneuve. The film tells the story of mysterious spacecraft touch down across the globe. An elite team, life, and quite possibly humanity. Enola Holmes 2020. Enola Holmes is an American mystery film, based on the first book in the series of the same name by Nancy Springer and directed by Harry Bradbeer. When Enola Holmes' Sherlock's teen sister discovers her mother missing, leaving behind an odd assortment of gifts but no apparent clue as to where she is gone or why. She sets off to find her, becoming a super sleuth in her own right as she outwits her famous brother and unravels a dangerous conspiracy around a mysterious young lord. As she unravels a conspiracy that threatens to set back the course of history. Get Out. He could have never imagined. Sherlock Holmes: A Game of Shadows 2011. Sherlock Holmes is an action mystery film, directed by Guy Ritchie. The sequel to the 2009 film Sherlock Holmes. He has always been the smartest man, until now. He investigates a series of murders that lead him to Professor Moriarty. However, he, along with his associate Dr. Watson, must do everything to thwart the professor's evil plans. The cunning Moriarty is always one step ahead of Holmes as he spins a web of death and destruction. All part of a greater plan that, if he succeeds, will change the course of history. Shutter Island 2010. Shutter Island is an American psychological mystery thriller film, based on Dennis Lahan's novel of the same name and directed by Martin Scorsese. The film tells the story of two U.S. Marshals, Teddy Daniels and Chuck Hole, who are summoned to a remote and barren island off the coast of Massachusetts. When they investigate the mysterious disappearance of a murderess from the island's fortress-like hospital for the criminally insane. The Prestige Brief 2006. The Prestige is a 2006 science fiction mystery thriller film, directed by Christopher Nolan. The film tells the mysterious story of two magicians, whose intense rivalry leads them on a lifelong battle for supremacy full of obsession, deceit and jealousy with dangerous and deadly consequences. Other than that fundamental flaw, which leads to some impenetrable revelations toward the end, it's quite a movie, atmospheric, almost satanic. Murder Mystery 2019. Murder Mystery is an American comedy mystery film, directed by Kyle Nevacheck. The film begins when a NYC cop finally takes his wife on a long-promised European trip. A chance meeting on the flight gets them invited to an intimate family gathering on the super yacht of elderly billionaire Malcolm Quince. When Quince is murdered, they become the prime suspects in a modern-day whodunit. The Room 2019. The Room is an English-language French mystery thriller film, directed by Christian Volkmann. The film tells the story of a young couple who discover a way to fulfill any of their material desires, but then go too far by using it to create a child. The Wailing 2016. The Wailing is a South Korean horror mystery film, directed by Na Hong-jin. The film begins a foreigner's mysterious appearance in a quiet, rural village causes suspicion among the locals, suspicion which quickly turns to hysteria as the townspeople begin killing each other in brutal outbursts for seemingly no reason. As the investigating officer watches his daughter fall under the same savage spell, he agrees to consult a shaman for answers, unknowingly escalating the situation into something far more dangerous. Subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new update from my channel.